Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says that when this verse, warn your nearest kins and the sincere people amongst your people, the recitation of and the sincere people amongst your people has been revoked, and this addition has not been mentioned by Imam Bukhari, was revealed, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam ascended Mount Safa and said aloud, "Hearken and be alert." The people said, "Who is calling?" All of them said, "Muhammad." When all the people gathered there, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O the progeny of so and so, O the progeny of so and so, O Abd Manaf's progeny, O Abdul Muttalib's progeny." Then all these people got near him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Tell me, if I inform you that a cavalry will emerge from the foot of the mountain, will you testify my this statement?" All the people replied, "We have never found you a liar." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "I then warn you against a severe torment on the resurrection day." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Abu Lahab thereupon said, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu forbid, may you perish. Did you assemble us all only for this purpose?" He then got up and went away. Right then the chapter Lahab was revealed. Perished be the both hands of Abi Lahab, and he is already perished. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 507.